Good morning students. Today is 3rd of August 2021. Today is Tuesday. Today we are going to learn EVS 2 lesson number 3, the famous Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosle. In first lesson we have learnt about Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj. In the previous lesson we have learnt about the saints' impact on the history of Maharashtra. We also saw that Shivaji Maharaj lived during the time of Sant Tukaram and Samartha Ramdas Swami. Because of all these things, the great Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. They started passing the ideas about self-respect, independence and so on from one generation to another. Maratha Sardars were already very brave. There was great misrule in the days of Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. Now students, this is the background of our today's lesson. Okay, previously we have learned more about Shivaji Maharaj before Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj and the work of saints in last lesson. Today we will read first the lesson. Pay attention in the textbook or on a screen. Period of unrest. As the saints preached devotion of God, the brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. This was the period of great unrest. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war with each other. They made use of the armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. Okay. What was that period? The period of unrest. Unrest means of anarchy. Means what? No rest. Who will come from this side? Who will come from that side? What will happen now? What will happen then? This was the fear in everybody's mind. People were very much in trouble. In happiness is not only there because they cannot perform their own practices, their own festivals and their own day-to-day life also in a good way. Now, sultans and others, that Nizam Shah and Adil Shah, were constantly at war. But who were there in their army? Maratha Sardars only, because Maratha Sardars were very brave and they are fighting with their own strength. And these people, Nizam Shah and Adil Shah, were in very good mood because they knows that these Sardars will fight and they will fight with bravery and will get win for them. So they were very relaxed. Okay. The brave Maratha Sardars. The Marathas were both brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. They were very proud of their achievements on battlefield. The brave Maratha Sardars were with a spear in hand and a sword at the side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry means what? That horses and all that. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, made him a Sardar of his kingdom and sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. See here what has been told here. Maratha Sardars going to whom? These sultans for their employment. Employment means job. They don't have job. They want job for their day-to-day earning. So they are going, but they are not going alone. They are going with some their friends, with some other battlemen, and ask those Nizam Shah or Adil Shah to give them a work. So Nizam Shah and Adil Shah were waiting only for that. They are very happily asked to join them with their cavalry or with their army because they are bringing with them so many of people like them only, means brave only. Okay, and sometimes those sultans used to give them kingdoms, used to give them jagirs. So these Sardars who received such a jagirs considered themselves as a Raja of that jagir. Understood? Okay, next. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. The most famous among were the Jadhavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, Bhosles of Verul. The Sindhkhed Jadhavs were descendant of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Jizabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhujirao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. See, this is the interrelationship between the Sardars. Famous 5 Gharanas were there. Gharanas, Gharanas means families. Who were there? Who were they? First is Jadhavs of Sindhkhed, means at the place Sindhkhed, name of the Jagir, Sindhkhed. There who lived? Jadhavs family. Then Nimbalkar of Fulton place who has been covered with Nimbalkars. Then Ghorpades of Mudhol is a place where Ghorpade named family were lived. And Mores of Javli is a very forest area. There who lived? Mores families. And Bhosle of Verul is also a famous Jagir where Bhosle's family were lived. The Sindhkhed Jadhavs were descendant of Yadavs of Devgiri. Yadavs of Sindhkhed Jadhav were descendant, means generation by generation they have turned into Yadavs to Jadhavs. Okay. Jizabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj. You know Jizabai, your mother, father have been told you some of the stories of Jizabai and Shivaji Maharaj. So we will learn more about Jizabai and Shivaji Maharaj in next our lessons. But now that Jizabai, who was Shivaji Maharaj's mother, was the daughter of Lakhujirao Jadhav. What was the surname of Jizabai after her marriage? Bhosle. Who was Shivaji Maharaj? Shivaji Maharaj's surname was Bhosle. So Lakhuji Jadhav's daughter has wedded with whom? Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Understood, students, here? Relationship between Jadhavs and Bhosles? Okay. Come to the next. Tradition of Velur. At these Sardars, all these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. So all their valor and bravery served the interest of others. Even so, they kept alive the warlike spirit, especially among the young. Many famous soldiers were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Among famous families, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery and enterprise. Now see, children, tradition of valor. Valor means bravery, strength, goodness. This is all who has, those Sardars has. But what happened? Some of the Sardars were fighting with each other. At that time were fighting with each other, with their Jagirs to Jagirs. Why? Because some are related to Nizam Shah, some are related to whom? Adil Shah. So Adil Shah and Nizam Shah were the enemies only. So they both, whoever the Sardars under them were also started fighting with each other. Okay. Now they don't know what is the point of unity, what is the value of unity. So they don't think any day that we want to unite everybody, each other, and we want to do something good for our people. So this only conflicts were there going on. But the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery and enterprise among them. Now the temple of Grushneshwar. See the word, children, Grushneshwar. Grushneshwar means is a god Shiva. Shiva means Shankar. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Grushneshwar near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. The walls had developed cracks. The priest also had deserted the temple. Thus the temple, which was built in honor of a great god, was totally neglected. All the devotees who come there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought of repairing it. See, temple was there. Which god's temple it was? Grushneshwar, Shiva's temple. It was about 400 years ago. This incident about 400 years ago. What happened to that temple? It was nearly to break down, nearly to fall down. There were cracks. So many cracks have developed in the walls of that temple, and everything ruined. So no one is looking at that. No one wants to repair that and want to make that temple again new. But see, a great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and bell on the lingam, means linga, Shiva, the Shankar gods. What happened? A linga means a idol, that round idol. आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? लिंग. आणि त्याचा आपण त्याला नमस्कार करतो, शंकराला नमस्कार करतो. येस, and express his innermost thoughts to the god. He carries out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside the temple, and the lost grandeur of Krishneshwar temple was restored. Who was this devotee? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. See, what is in this passage given? A great devotee. Devotee means bhakta of Shiva, Shankar. Visited temple regularly. He was visiting temple regularly. But just not visiting. What he has done? He has repaired that. At the same time, when he is offering flowers, bells on that linga, he has also made that temple at its new stage. He has repaired the walls. He has made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple, and he has made that inside and outside temple very, very nice, and made the arrangements of lights also. Now that temple was very, very well to visit for all. Understood? Who was that person? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle, a devotee of Shiva. What has he done? He has made that Krishneshwar temple very, very at the new condition. Okay, now see here picture is given of Shahaji Maharaj. Who was that? Shivaji Maharaja's father, Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje Bhosle. He was the very, very well known Sardar of that time, and very brave, bravest of all them. So, and he was very kind also to others. Okay, so we will stop here today. It is enough for today's lesson. What you have to do is you have to underline the words which are new to you, and you have to write them in your notebook. Which words you know, let them get away. But which words newly you are contacting with, you are getting, write them again in your notebook. How many times you want? It is not my compulsion. How many times? You can write as many times as you want. Okay. Now and only write the words, and I will give you work for this lesson after this period. After this you will get the work. And today there will be Google class at 10:30. Okay. What time? Google class will be at 10:30. It will be for Marathi. Okay. Bye. Bye.